Today we will discuss the understanding elementary shapes, in which we will discuss the measuring angle. How to measure the angle? Angle are usually measured in unit called a degree. Means angle can be measured in degree. The symbol for the degree is this, means 30, and write the small zero over it. This is called as a degree, 30 degree. An instrument called a protractor is used to measure an angle, and instrument which are used to measure an angle, that instrument is called as a protractor. A protractor has a number 0 to 180 mark on it, and protractor has a numbers which are present on that or mark on that 0 to 180 from the both side. This helps to measure an angle from the both side. This is helpful for the measure the angle from the both side. The center of the protractor shows the 90 degree, and center of the protractor shows the 90 degree. Is it present in your compass box? You can observe and you can understand, because today I don't have that protractor with me. Okay, I hope you understand. Types of angle. Now we'll discuss about the types of angle. There are types of angle. First type we will discuss acute angle. What is mean by the acute angle? Angle which is less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. Just look like this. Means angle which is less than 90 degree, this is called as a acute angle. Just by heart this and keep in your mind. Then we will discuss the second part, right angle. Right angle, an angle that measure exactly 90 degree is called as a right angle. Means the angle which has exactly measure 90 degree. If you observe like this, means this line and this line are perpendicular to each other, then we can say that this angle or this angle is called as a right angle, and measure of right angle is 90 degree. Just keep in your mind, this question is arises for the objective type of question arises in exam for fill in the blanks. I hope you understand that part. Now we will discuss the next part, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, an angle which is more than 90 degree. The angle which is more than 90 degree, you observe this is an 90 degree, this is the smaller than 90 degree, and this is the bigger than 90 degree or greater than 90 degree. The angle which is more than 90 degree but less than 180 is called as a obtuse angle. I hope you understand, and keep in your mind what is meant by the acute angle, what is meant by right angle, or what is meant by obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means whose measure in between 90, means greater than 90 and less than 180. Okay, then we can say that the given angle is an obtuse angle. Okay, right angle, or sorry, straight angle. What is meant by straight angle? An angle that measure exactly 180 is a straight angle. Means exactly just straight line, and this angle or this measure is 180 degree, exactly 180. Then we can say that given angle is a straight angle. You observe this line is shows that straight part, then we can say that this is a straight angle, and measure of straight angle is 180 degree. Reflex angle. What is meant by the reflex angle? Observe this. This is the initial point and this is terminal point. Angle measure from this point to this point. Then an angle that measure more than 180, mean whose measure is more than 180. Just observe this is 180 degree. Now if you observe this part to this part, this is an 180 degree, but it is greater than or more than 180 degree but less than 360, means 360 means whole part. This is whole part is called as a reflex angle. Means angle that measure more than 180 but less than 360 or 360 is a reflex angle. And now we will discuss about the next part, next very much important part, the complete angle. An angle that measure exactly 360 degree is called a complete angle. Means the this is initial line started, and if we are measure the angle from this part to this part and terminal arm over it, initial arm, means initial arm and terminal are same, then we can say that this is an complete angle or measure of 360 degree. I hope you understand this part. If you are getting doubt or problem regarding this part, just call me back. Have a nice day.